This is a kind of a different recipe binder in that it has a monogram option. So you can put a photograph in here of, say, a baby or a wedding photo if you like. Or, and you can see you just insert it right in there. It just slides right out this little card. Or if you don't want to use your own stuff, you can always use one of the letters on the back or some of this other artwork that they've got back there. Any of those squares will slide into the front and make it your recipe binder. This half-page recipe binder also includes a nice little shopping list on the side. I like the lettering there, and I like the little mushroom there, and just the kind of quirky little artwork all over the place in this thing. It's just really, really nicely done. It's got advice for meats and desserts and how to handle it, and it also, in between each divider, it includes a couple of recipe card sleeves that you can always add some more recipe card sleeves by buying some from us, because there's tons of space there to add more. This is a kind of a versatile cover. We offer our laser engraving on some of our other binders, but if you want to do this is another way to personalize a recipe binder.